This could be the car for you. The 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Experience the freedom of off-road exploration in the Grand Cherokee. Take a test drive today.